Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to enable security notifications on WhatsApp. Maybe you want to stay updated and take prompt action if there are any potential security threats or unauthorized access to your account. So today I'm going to show you how to enable security notification on WhatsApp. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your WhatsApp application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you will be taken to the main chat screen. In this page, tap on the three dots icon at the top right corner of the screen. From this menu, tap on Settings. In this Settings page, select Account. Here, you will find various options related to your account settings. Within this page, you will find this Security Notifications option. Simply tap on it. Below, you will see this toggle switch. You simply need to tap on it to enable security notifications for your account. Once enabled, WhatsApp will send you notifications whenever there is a change in security settings, such as when you log in from a new device or if two-step verification is enabled or disabled. There you go. If you wanted to know how to enable security notifications on WhatsApp, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to enable security notifications on WhatsApp, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.